Hey there, Troy. So it looks like you're trying to get a dimension from the center point, let's say, to the center of wherever that is meeting. Like we stated before, if you can't measure it, it's kind of hard, but maybe that's what you need to have had it before. So what you're saying is it doesn't actually bring up a little green dot. It does down here, but not up here. So an easy way to do it is if you go to Sketch, you can start a sketch or hit S and then just go on the view. You can project the geometry of the curve, and then if you wanted to do it also of there, so you get the center point and do a little line to here, let's say, and make that perpendicular and then trim that off. So then that point to the center will be available. So if we finish our sketch, do our dimension to that point, it comes up, okay. Then we go back into our sketch, select everything, and then just make it sketch only, finish, and there you go. Um, Also, another way to do this is if you have it sketched out, you can go retrieve model annotations and select your view and hit OK, and there you go. So that's actually connected to the view that we have from our sketch 1. Depending on how you have this set up, so that way, let's say we put this at 1.25 and the whole thing goes crazy. This will update. It should. Update model. There we go. So that'll update to that point. So if you draw it in the sketch and you know that you want to have that brought in, that might be the easiest way is however you were defining it, or just create a sketch straight up from here and let's say project the geometry of that, where that comes through the center point, and you trim that off. And then you just dimension from here, where let's see if we break these links. Does that have to be consumed? Let's see. Yeah. So you actually have to have a feature consumed by the sketch, and then it'll come in as far as there it goes. So that way, if we ever change to this sketch to 1.5, it's not going to be linked, but you'll see what I mean. It then goes to wherever that sketch was. So setting up that way might be a little bit easier for you and get you going.